Interpersonal skills at workplace. There are certain skill sets that are crucial to professionals to be able to exercise in their work environment. Interpersonal skills are important because they help employees to develop and foster strong working relationship with each other. They contribute to increasing team and organizational productivity, and they create an overall positive environment work. There are some tips to follow for good interpersonal skills. First one is exercising self-awareness. Self-awareness means that person is able to consciously know what they are feeling, why they are feeling. It falls with the realm of emotional intelligence, which is comprised of 4 primary parts that are self-awareness, emotions, empathy, and relationship buildings. Second tip is being cognizant of non-verbal communications, which includes eye contact, facial expressions, body language, gestures, physical contacts like shaking hand, touching, pushing, etc. Third tip is being respectful of others, like showing respect in workplace in many ways, showing appreciation of employees' time and effort, showing attitude and courtesy, being an active listener, being a clear communicator, etc. Fourth tip is showing empathy and understanding. Fifth is behaving appropriately, like being punctual, friendly to others, having positive attitude, dressing appropriately. And the last one is being receptive to the feedback, which is very important for personal and professional growth. It helps in recognizing the difference between feedback and criticism.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.